at Billy on the live stream. So basically, Billy did, although it did make a higher high, we did still get stuck and rejected from the 23632 macro area of resistance. The good thing is that, I mean, although we did have a sell-off, relatively speaking to where the RSI was before, you are still technically making higher highs and higher lows across the board. So as long as Billy continues this formation and this uptrend, then the targets on the upside should all be valid. And as of right now, it is still 2 zeros 55, 1 cent, and then 3 cents 50. At any point, if we do break structure and we start breaking these previous lows, then at that point, it is extremely bearish, and we do have to keep an eye out on this previous all-time low, because if that doesn't hold and if this doesn't become an area of accumulation, then you are going to break down and make a all-time low and lower low. However, so far so good. The stock RSI is almost completely reset. The RSI is no longer overbought, so obviously when it's overbought, it's green. We're going to have some sort of sell-off. It doesn't necessarily have to happen like that every single time. There are some coins that actually end up staying here for a couple weeks, and you actually end up making higher highs, and it's very bullish. Unfortunately, that's not always the case though. But so that's why when I say, hey, just be careful where the RSI is overbought, some people don't like that because of that scenario. But generally speaking, when the RSI is overbought, that does mean that there is selling coming because it does need a cool off. With that being said, I'll keep you updated as always. None of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I'll catch you in the next video.